Hello, ma'am. Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Rodeline C. Rahal, 28 years old. I live in Tarlac, Philippines. I have son, 4 years old boy, and my height is 153 centimeter. My weight is 49 kilo. I have experience as a housemaid in Philippines. They have 5 family member. They have 3 children. 7 years old girl, 10 years old boy, and 12 years old girl. I do cooking, cleaning, laundering, car washing, gardening, and marketing. Sometimes I play with them. I sing with them, cook with them. Then I teach them homework. And I have experience in Hong Kong. They have 4 family member. They have 2 children, 3 years old girl and 5 years old boy. I do cooking, cleaning, laundering, playing with them, marketing, and I send them to the school and I pick up them. Thank you.